Well, getting up the hill is pretty soft. Winch all set up. Let's see if I can get this brake released. Well, we got a little bit of wood. Okay, we got 5 rounds. And let's look at the beautiful country, the sky, the snow. That way's home. It's 2 o'clock, so the snow's gonna be soft. It wasn't too bad when I went and got wood, but I guess we'll see. It's all downhill, so maybe we'll see some of those wolves. That'd be cool. Made it back no problem to where I've been getting wood on that log. Log right there. And now I haven't been down here since I've been here. It was 3 days ago. Came through here on Sunday and it's Wednesday, whatever, however long that is, 3 days, I guess. So see how we do on this fresh snow. Semi-fresh. It's been melted. Ooh, so far so good. Liking that. Oh, doesn't look like it's gonna be a problem. That's good news. See, I just got started again and I noticed this thing was in auto mode. I disengaged the locker, but it goes into auto on its own. It sits for a while. So I shifted back into snow mode, and that seems to work better, because since we're in the snow, it seems like those guys kind of knew what they were doing when they designed that. So we're back in snow mode now, so just be aware that this thing shifts out of it when it sits. Shifts out of snow mode or whatever, shifts out of whatever mode you got it in, and it'll go back to auto. Dropping down an elevation here, it's 49 degrees. You can see how this is all kind of melting out here. I'm not having a problem yet. Fortunately, I'm going downhill. I don't think I can get up this time of day, but you're getting there, and it's getting warmer. Made it down to milepost 7. This looks like it's really melting out. That sign looks a lot taller than it used to be. But I got these logs down here, probably more exposed. Hope I can get over them. Might have to saw some of them out or chop some of them out. We'll see. Checking out the elevation here at milepost 7, 4,268 feet. Just for future reference. Now I was marveling at this ponderosa pine here. That thing, I don't know how big it is, but it is, look at how tall that thing is. And there's not a branch on it until you get up there, freaking 70 feet. It just keeps going. Dang, that's a big tree. Always just marvel at these giant trees. Dang, they're so cool. That looks like we're gonna make it out of here. Look around a little bit. Do a little 360. This is where I first picked up those tracks with the wolves a couple days ago. Man, that's a big tree. Wow. Keeps going. Just keeps going. Geez, I'll go looking straight up. Oh, wow. Yeah. Here's the tree I'm worried about. This thing right here. I could probably still make it over that thing. But if that, I mean, that thing, it looks like it's a foot in diameter. So when this melt, there's no way I can make it there. Could probably still make it over here. Maybe if I fudge to the left a little bit, but by the time I come up here next, well, it depends on how low it snows. And then there's that log over there, which isn't quite as big. So, oh boy, let's see if we get stuck on this thing. I really don't want to take the time to chop it out now. Or maybe I should, because if I come back at night, and I don't want to do it at night, I don't think I could move this damn thing. I don't know. I got to think about this a minute. I think what I'm going to do is get over it now and then maybe make a special trip up here just to move these out of the way. come up in the morning sometime. Maybe I'll break down and buy a damn chainsaw. I mean, I don't know, I don't even think I could saw through this with my bow saw. I gotta measure how far it is between the saw blade and the frame. So I can't just pull on it. It's stuck in that tree right there. There's no way I could just pull on it and break it. I don't know. I'll just come back. Let's see if we can get through this for now. See, what I'm going to try and do is split those tracks so I get a little more height. So I'll kind of straddle the track and come right in here. Let's see how we do. Made it. This is where it got stuck that first time. Next to that post and that tree sticking out. Somebody came by and sawed some more of that off. Thank you very much, sir. Pretty much out of the snow, so it's time to get the chains off. Air up. Get some air in these tires. Don't look too dirty even. All right, let's get these things off. Going along here pretty well, but I hit a soft spot in this passenger side front tire. Lost, you can see, like high centered on this side, there's nothing there. So I could feel the brakes grabbing on here with that traction control, trying to stop this one from spinning. So I dug out the backs of the tire, see if I get back out of here. Doesn't seem like I'm that high centered. Look under there. Look under there. See? I don't know. Yeah, I'm high centered.